Hi guys, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Let me introduce you to your family's newest addition to your emergency kits, your medicine pantries, anything. This Painless Bug Bite Tool is going to be your new best friend all summer long, all year long. This has been such a great addition for our family because mosquito bites or even splinters, if you get a little something and you're trying to get a splinter out, this is actually pretty helpful. I think that this is an invaluable tool that I am so glad I found online. This has been the easiest to use tool, and even on the smallest of children, does not cause any pain. The fact that the suction works so well that anyone can use it, and its light takes up no space in your emergency kits or your medicine cabinets. I love this, that it doesn't have to be some sort of chemical, topical, anything, but that with just a little suction, you can have the best relief to your bug bites. I love it. I know you will too. You're gonna want to get one for your friends, by the way. And that's my point of view.